Welcome to Time for Gardening, your go-to channel for growing and maintaining beautiful plants that bring life to your outdoor space. If you're looking for a stunning flower that adds vibrant color from spring through fall, Snapdragons are the perfect choice. These long-blooming flowers come in an array of hues, from soft pastels to bold, fiery tones, making them an excellent addition to any garden. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Snapdragon care, from planting and watering to fertilizing, pruning, and even dealing with pests and diseases. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools to keep your Snapdragon flowers thriving all season long. If you love gardening and want more tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Snapdragon color? Now, let's dive in. Snapdragons come in different heights and color variations, so choosing the right variety is essential for your garden's design. There are three main categories: dwarf snapdragons, perfect for containers and borders; intermediate varieties, great for flower beds; and tall snapdragons, ideal for cutting gardens and floral arrangements. Dwarf varieties, such as Floral Showers and Montego, grow up to 10 inches tall and are perfect for smaller garden spaces. Intermediate snapdragons, like Sonnet and Liberty, can reach 16 to 24 inches, making them excellent for mid-garden placement. Meanwhile, tall varieties, such as Rocket and Madame Butterfly, can grow over 3 feet tall, offering an eye-catching display in any garden. When selecting your variety, consider your climate, garden space, and preferred bloom time. Some snapdragons are more heat-tolerant, while others thrive in cooler temperatures. Keep these factors in mind as we move on to planting. Timing is everything when it comes to snapdragon planting. These flowers prefer cooler temperatures, making early spring and fall the best seasons to grow them. If you're starting from seeds, plant them indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost and transplant them outdoors once temperatures remain above 40 degrees Fahrenheit 4 degrees Celsius at night. Snapdragons thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light daily. However, if you live in a hotter climate, provide some afternoon shade to prevent wilting. The ideal soil should be well-draining, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic, pH 6.2 to 7.0. Adding compost before planting will improve soil fertility and drainage. To plant, space dwarf varieties 6 to 8 inches apart, intermediate snapdragons 12 inches apart, and tall varieties at least 18 inches apart to allow for healthy airflow. Proper spacing helps prevent disease and promotes stronger stems. Proper Snapdragon watering is crucial to maintaining vibrant blooms. These flowers prefer evenly moist soil, but overwatering can lead to root rot. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on your climate. In hotter months, you may need to increase watering to prevent the plants from drying out. For the best results, fertilize your Snapdragons with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer when planting. During the growing season, use a liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks to encourage continuous blooms. A fertilizer with a higher phosphorus, P, content will help boost flower production. Avoid excessive nitrogen, which encourages leafy growth instead of flowers. Regular Snapdragon pruning keeps the plant healthy and encourages longer flowering. Deadheading spent flowers prevents seed production, prompting the plant to continue blooming instead of focusing on reproduction. To deadhead Snapdragons, use clean pruning shears to remove faded blooms just above a leaf node. This process stimulates new growth and fresh blooms. Additionally, if your Snapdragons become leggy, cut back 1/3 of their height to encourage bushier growth. Snapdragons can attract pests like aphids, spider mites, and caterpillars. To prevent infestations, check your plants regularly and spray them with a mix of water and neem oil if pests appear. Ladybugs are also a natural predator of aphids, so encourage beneficial insects in your garden. Snapdragons are prone to rust, powdery mildew, and root rot if grown in damp conditions. Prevent these diseases by ensuring good airflow, proper spacing, and avoiding overhead watering. If rust appears, treat it with a fungicide or remove infected leaves. Pair snapdragons with pansies, petunias, alyssum, and marigolds for a vibrant, pollinator-friendly garden. These plants complement snapdragon's colors and provide variety in height and texture. Avoid planting them near aggressive spreaders that may crowd their roots. To enjoy long-blooming snapdragons, plant in cooler seasons, deadhead regularly, fertilize properly, and provide consistent moisture. In summer, mulch around the base to keep the roots cool and prevent stress. If your snapdragons stop blooming in high heat, cut them back slightly and they'll likely rebloom in fall. Snapdragons are a stunning, low-maintenance addition to any garden when given proper care. By following these planting, watering, and pruning tips, you'll enjoy a continuous burst of color from spring to fall. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more gardening tips. Let us know in the comments, have you grown snapdragons before? What colors do you love the most? Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.